Good morning, everyone, and welcome to about day 38 of COVID quarantine, etc. I'm retired now from Boeing, so it didn't really affect me too much. But here we have a Gottlieb System 80B soundboard. This one actually goes into a Mario Andretti. It was sent to me without ROMs. I'm testing it in my Silver Slugger. So I'm going to go through the sound test one more time. And you guys will remember that as musical note scales. So I just rebooted. The issue with this board was that this 7430 here, which fields the incoming signal pulses, was dead. And it didn't take me too long to find that one. But sometimes these boards are just boogers to find out what's going on. So I'm going to leave this game turned on. You'll probably hear it, background sound. It'll say play ball or something like that. And the next board is a Squawk and Talk board from an 8-ball champ. And let's boot in.
Eight ball, 3-ball.
So you can hear that that is operating also. And I've tested this in game mode also, but let me press the test button.
And start chalking.
That's my favorite call out. Here we go. Get ready.
Chalk up, 5x, 3x, 2x. You are taking too long. One more game, perhaps? Chalk up, chalk up, chalk up, chalk up, chalk up. Well done. Super.
And there was the Silver Slugger.
Chalk up. Super. Oops. Too much English. Too bad you scratched. Chalk up. Nice stripes. Solids. You've got the shooting shot. Go for, make the, get the, shoot for, sink the. Chalk up. 15 ball, 14 ball, 13 ball, 12 ball, 11 ball, 10 ball, 9 ball, 8 ball, 7 ball, 6 ball, 5 ball, 4 ball, 3 ball, 2 ball, 1 ball, 1 ball. Quit talking and start chalking. Chalk up, rack 'em up.
That has to be the longest test sequence ever. This board presented with, it wasn't doing anything. It was just kind of screeching. So the root cause on this one was U4 was dead. So I doubled the ROM image, and no, that one is a 2732. It was a 2532, so I had to burn it into 2732 and then move a couple of jumpers right there. Also on this board, I like to replace the headers. They are 35, 40 years old. They're just ugly by this time. And of course I recapped it. And when I recap a board, I like to put the cap specs facing up so you can see what the heck is on there, and also which side is positive and negative. So if you do that in the future, just a little tip. And then the last board that came in with this batch is another Squawk and Talk, but this one goes into Embryon. So let's boot this one up.
Final stage in Embryon 3-ball.
There we go. Let's listen to some Embryon test.
Commence life. Functional. Let's say you energize. Rejuvenate. Activate. Malfunction. Light begins. Final stage in progress. Life support activated. Embryon. Incubator. Embryonic.
A little shorter than the 8-ball champ. If you want to see, while I'm here, what a Pennytech Uno display looks like. This is a blue one that I eventually put into my Stargazer. In person, it's much more striking than this camera is catching. Anyway, thank you so much for sending the 2 Squawk and Talk boards plus the Mario Andretti 80B soundboard. We are going to get these back into the mail for you. Thank you so much.